Budro. That's sounding pretty good there. Hey, what's going on, YouTubulous? EXO coming at you here. Feeling great today, feeling grateful today. It is Thanksgiving. We got lots to be thankful for, including my good friend, oh, he's indisposed. My good friend, Lanford, is my new shop cat. He found us as a stray. We couldn't say no up here on the hill. So we got a new addition to the shop and another new addition to the shop. As well, something to be grateful for. My friends, Eric and Lily came over, helped me knock out this carcass. We're gonna be laminating it, putting some plywood on it. It is awesome, very excited, and just very thankful. What are you guys thankful for? Today is Thanksgiving, so you're probably at your family's house eating some food, hanging out. So in case you need a little bit of entertainment value here on the EXO channels, we're gonna pump out trifecta of some bass demos. We're gonna start it off with Anthony Stevens. He has a nice DC rig. I've actually come back around to it full circle. We started it way back, so let's go ahead and start it off. He's got a bunch of stuff that can be found at the Showtime website, so definitely check out the links below. Helps you, helps me, helps everybody. So let's start off this Thanksgiving right with some bass, all right? Let's roll that beautiful bean footage.
My name's Anthony Stevens. I got 4 level 518s on 4 5Ks. They're DC 5Ks. It's all wrapped in suede, and it's got Maxwell caps, 10 banks of caps, and AGM. I'm still in 12 volt. I haven't done the lithium upgrade yet, so. I had to step them out because I had the M2s, which were a little bit smaller, and they were all inverted before, but these are a lot bigger, so I had to do this step out to make them fit. In my doors, I got the DS18s. They perform really well for me. So the DiEguardo, it's just my voltage meter pretty much. I turn my amps on, the amp switch. I got a touchscreen flip out, yeah, and 2 McMahon 370s. My favorite part of car audio is really the people. It's just, it's a family. It's an addiction and a disease.
Funny because you get with the money they got.
Thank you so much. Was it this loud before?
Yeah. Wow.
Nothing changed. Holy, I guess I just wasn't expecting it this time. Thank you so much for cranking it like that. I miss jamming out. Good times, man. Always a pleasure when a system comes back around for round 2. Plus, I really like the way he staggered his inverted subs. Adds a really cool look, and electrically speaking, just a quick polarity swap gets everyone dancing correctly again. You can tell I've always been a sucker for exposed motors. Just looking at the old Frankenstein build, what did I have, like 2 pairs in there? So I'm glad he's still showing off these big booty DCs. Great subs overall, and you can click the links to check him out online. Now let's hop into our next friendly demo and see what he's got.
So I got 2 ZV5 18s on a Teramps AK wired to 1 ohm, 1 D3100, and then a MechMan 320 under the hood. Yeah, the box is tuned to 27. It's 3 layers all around. So I don't plan on keeping these 2 18s. I plan on walling it eventually with 8 15s.
Oh boy, you heard it here. The Basshead curse has stolen another. That's usually how it works though, right? You never have enough. And 6 15s too? Dang. I'd really like to know where this kid ended up, because this too was filmed like 8 years ago. But upgrades aside, who knows what happened on the interim? You can definitely tell he loves his sound system.
Yeah.
That's sounding pretty good there.
Appreciate it.
Not bad for a work in progress at that, huh?
Yeah.
So you every day you kind of look back like, oh man, I gotta go fix this, fix that. But
I got 23 hertz if you want to see the subs move a little.
Sure, let's get those things moving. I'm actually pretty impressed with this thing, and I'm not just saying that. So what's the next big thing that you plan on doing?
Probably upgrading the batteries. That's going to be the main thing.
Couple more batteries, because right now you just got that one back there, and then one under the hood.
I know it's not a big thing, but it's necessary.
We've all been there before, right? Heck, I'm still kind of there in my rig wanting more juice. This kid's just doing what he loves and has a solid system that does the job. You can't ask for anything better than that, and heck, eventually I wouldn't be surprised if I saw this kid in the lanes with a world-class rig. That's just how it works sometimes. People learn so fast, and this hobby is the definition of addicting. That right there is a combination for growth. Now, next up is a local legend here in Tennessee, the man, Mr. Shannon Boom. He's got 515s from Resilient Sounds, the Gold Series. You can find him at Showtime. And I was able to film a nice jam session, short but sweet, but he got right down to business. Gave me the beans.
Diamonds in my mouth when this dick crank.
Frickin' yeah, fellas. Short but sweet, but still a solid sounding system. Thanks a lot, Shannon. Man, is it awesome to see husband and wife teams out there enjoying car audio. I'm pretty sure that's what we were witnessing there. Just really tickled my heart because I love Elise so much, and we too sometimes do car audio stuff on the back end here. And yeah, no matter what life throws our way, how difficult times can be, me and her just trudge right through and pile drive every single issue. I love her so much. And I'm also thankful for my new friends I was able to make here in Tennessee, making things like this possible. Even though I could have done it alone, just having a friend there makes you even more thankful. Today is Thanksgiving, so I'm just taking a quick second to revel in those small little parts of life. It's really important sometimes, keeps you grounded, keeps you humble, and like other things in this world, there's a lot of important things besides car audio. And this guy, now that we got him in the garage, he is a whole new boy. He is so loving and caring, but you wouldn't have known it when we first met him. He was a scaredy cat, extremely cautious, but now he's my main man, and we're gonna have him here in the shop and all around town, take him on walks. He's my main man. So, until the next video, this is EXO. Thank you for watching. Just a quick little something with our fellow bassheads. I got so much footage on the repertoire that I want to share of all of our friends. So if you're interested in picking up any of the things you saw, we got some new additions to the website on Showtime, like the DCs that you saw. Just all around, you can pick up tons of stuff there. And if you want to help support the EXO channels, every little bit helps when you use the EXO coupon code. So until the next video, this is EXO signing out. Happy Thanksgiving. Just a quick little something to keep the ball rolling for some basshead entertainment. I will see you on the next video. Who knows what's in store for this old girl? Maybe we'll bring you guys along for the ride, but shh, don't tell anyone. All right, talk to you guys then. Question!